G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Okay, I'm just here fixing up some roof vents that have failed. That one there, the bearing has stopped altogether, and so it's stopped. That one over there is stopped. I've just installed a brand new one there for the customer, but I just wanted to show you why it failed. If you have a look here at, I don't know whether you can see that, but that's the level across the top, and you can see it's crooked. So when they installed the vent, they didn't level it, and so then the bearings are working at an angle all the time and they fail prematurely. So it's pretty important to make sure that you get it installed properly. So now I've just got to fix these up. I'll probably leave the base as it is because to tear the base off when they've siliconed it down like this is hard work. I might break the tiles, right? So but I will replace the throat because this throat's riveted on, and so we'll pull that off, put a new throat on it and level it, and then put the new top back on. Right.